You've finally taken the plunge into the world of cryptocurrency. You've chosen Kraken, a renowned and secure exchange, to be your digital gateway. But now comes the crucial question: how do you actually get funds into your Kraken wallet? Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it might seem. This video will guide you through the various methods, ensuring a smooth and secure funding experience. Before we dive into the specifics, let's explore the primary ways to fund your Kraken account. Bank transfers. This is arguably the most common method. You simply initiate a bank transfer from your local bank account to your designated Kraken account. Credit/debit card. For instant deposits, credit/debit card payments are a popular option. However, be mindful of potential fees and processing times. Cryptocurrency deposits. If you already own cryptocurrencies on another exchange, you can easily transfer them to your Kraken wallet. Stablecoin transfers. Stablecoins, like USDT and USDC, offer a stable and efficient way to transfer value. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. This method allows you to buy crypto directly from other Kraken users within the platform. Funding your Kraken account, step by step. 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account through the official website or mobile app. Ensure you have enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, for enhanced security. 2. Navigate to the funding page. Look for the funding or deposit section within your account dashboard. This section will usually display a list of available funding methods. 3. Choose your preferred method. Select the funding method that best suits your needs and preferences. For this example, let's use bank transfer. 4. Enter the deposit amount. Specify the amount you wish to deposit in your chosen currency, e.g., USD, Euro. Kraken will display potential fees associated with the transaction. 5. Select your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account, you'll need to provide the necessary details. Kraken may require you to verify your bank account through a small test deposit. 6. Initiate the transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the bank transfer. You may need to provide your bank's routing or account number. 7. Confirm the transaction. Carefully review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. 8. Monitor your deposit. Once the transfer is initiated, monitor your Kraken account for updates on the deposit status. Processing times may vary depending on your bank and the chosen funding method. Funding with cryptocurrency. If you're transferring cryptocurrency from another exchange, obtain the deposit address. On the Kraken funding page, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, e.g., Bitcoin, Ethereum. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for your account. Initiate the transfer. Log into the exchange where you currently hold the cryptocurrency. Initiate a withdrawal, entering the Kraken deposit address as the recipient. Confirm and wait. Confirm the withdrawal transaction on your sending exchange. Wait for the cryptocurrency to be credited to your Kraken wallet. Network congestion may affect processing times. Important considerations. Fees. Be aware of potential fees associated with each funding method. These can include bank transfer fees, credit/debit card processing fees, and network fees for cryptocurrency transfers. Processing times. Processing times can vary significantly depending on the chosen method. Bank transfers can take several business days, while cryptocurrency transfers may be faster but subject to network congestion. Security. Always prioritize security. Enable 2FA on your Kraken account and be cautious of phishing attempts. Never share your account credentials or private keys with anyone. Regulations. Be mindful of any local regulations or restrictions related to cryptocurrency trading and funding. Tips for a smooth funding experience. Verify your account. Complete the account verification process on Kraken to increase your deposit limits and access a wider range of features. Use supported banks. Choose banks that have a good track record with international transfers to minimize delays. Check fees in advance. Compare fees across different funding methods to find the most cost-effective option. Use a reliable internet connection. Ensure a stable internet connection during the funding process to avoid any interruptions. Contact support. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Kraken's customer support for assistance. Funding your Kraken wallet is a straightforward process with various options available. By understanding the different methods and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can seamlessly transfer funds and begin your cryptocurrency trading journey. Remember to prioritize security and choose the funding method that best suits your needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.